Hi, it's me again, I'm back.
Today we're gonna make Indonesian to black for our English assignment. My name is Kisha. I'm Shaluna. I'm Raisa. I'm Tiara. I'm Fida. I'm Sakura.
Super yummy!